joined Manchester United, scored his 111th goal as he and his team beat the Ireland international team. Cristiano Ronaldo made this new record as he is now the #1 scorer in men's international soccer. He achieved this feat in 180 games, and so it's a world record. Unfortunately, there is one footballer who's ahead of him as she scored her 187th goal during the Tokyo Olympics. Come on, Cristiano, you can do it. Cambridge University has recently discovered a whole new type of planet. This is called Hycean planets. These planets are super hot and they are covered in some sort of liquidy texture which might be water? I don't know. But scientists believe there's a chance of a lot of population on those planets as they are also, some of them are also much bigger than Earth itself. So, get ready to meet some extraterrestrials.
The spot-on lanternfly is an invasive species originally from southern China, Taiwan, and Vietnam. Even though the lanternfly has 2 pairs of wings, it jumps more than it flies. It has spread invasively to Japan, South Korea, and the United States. Its host plants include stone fruit, grapes, and apples, but its preferred host is Chinese sumac or the tree of heaven.
Arctic birds are in deep trouble because of the way you and I and every other single person on Earth lives. We are causing climate change, and every other being on Earth has to pay for it. Many Arctic bird species populations have decreased drastically. The ivory gull population has decreased by 90% in only the last 20 years. In northern parts of the Arctic, scientists estimate that around 50% of the tundra habitat will disappear by the end of the century, which will decrease living space for birds and all other creatures. A problem for bird species that natively nest in northern Arctic is that natively southern species are now moving northwards. These species would have to compete for nesting sites and for food. These species migrating to the Arctic as a result of climate change could also bring new diseases and parasites that would threaten indigenous species. Increased rainfall is also dangerous for vulnerable young birds. What will you do to help these birds and stop the climate crisis?